Hello, Juniors here from State Hamad Japaria School, Behraich. And as you know, we have just entered class 10th. We have many confusions. We fear failures. But today, we have Unnati Jan and Shesh Bansal with us, who are the class 10 district toppers of session 2025 and 26. So let us ask a few questions that are within us, but we can't ask directly. So, were you always expecting 99% or was it just a surprise?
No, I didn't expected 99%. It was a surprise for me. I thought that I would score of around 95 or 96%, but a score of 99% was a great achievement for me.
Indeed, it was.
I also did not expect this much marks. I expected a little bit lower, but seeing my results made me very happy, and yes, it was quite a surprise for me.
So, what was the toughest phase during your preparation for the board exams and how did you tackle it?
The toughest phase during my preparation of board exams were my distractions. There were many family functions that I have to attend, and that's why there were many backlogs of my chapter. And I think my biggest distraction was my mobile phone. So to tackle it, I usually used to kept it switch off or in a almirah.
My toughest phase was probably during the winter vacations because at that time I was not able to study because of many distractions such as my phone. But I tackled it by keeping my phone on silent mode or switch off and keeping it aside or giving it to someone else.
Now, would you like to tell us how the school and teachers help you reach this level?
Yes, actually, the school was a support system for me. The positive environment of the school helped me to stay consistent throughout the year. The motivation was from my teachers. They motivated me to study higher and higher. Also, consistency was maintained through the pre-board exams and the weekly tests that happened in the schools. My teachers were a support system. They identified my weak points and focused me there.
Teachers also supported me a lot for this achievement. My school provided me many practice papers which I solved, and my teachers always identified my weak points and my mistakes so I can improve them, and they supported me throughout my journey.
So, did you ever feel like giving up? If yes, what kept you going?
Yes, there were many times when I felt that I could not study much more. But the main thing that kept me going was the motivation, the urge, the wish to score nice marks.
Many times for me also when I thought to give up, and I also thought that I would not be able to score this much, but my goal to score good marks above 95% kept me going throughout this journey.
So, while you were studying and preparing, was there a time when you feel low energy and how you keep yourself refreshed?
Yes, there were times when I felt low, but in between my studies, I usually used to go for a walk with my friends or for playing crickets and also with my cousins. So that all gave me refreshment in between my studies and kept me energized.
Yes, there were many times when I felt tired and exhausted after studying for many hours continuously. But to refresh myself, I rewarded myself with some screen time, and I also went for a walk on my terrace to keep my mind fresh and calm.
As a 10th grade student, what are the few points that we should focus on while preparing for our board exams?
While preparing for your boards exams, I think first of all we have to master the NCRT. All the diagrams, all the lines, and every point of NCRT should be understood and memorable for us because it is the core for the boards exam as all the questions are from NCRT. And second, I think we should focus more on our weak points and weak topics. We should analyze our mistakes that where we have gone wrong.
Few things that you should focus on are that you should revise regularly so that you don't forget the concepts and your uh, diagrams or anything, and also you should focus on practicing pyqs and questions more so that you get an idea of what kind of questions come in during your exams.
Since the day you give your last exam and the date, the result flashed on your screen, so what's your thrilling experience?
The day of the last exam was obviously exciting for me. I spent my whole day enjoying, and for next 10 to 15 days, there was only enjoyment, watching social media, meet up with friends. But as the month of April arrived, there was curiosity, excitement, but a fear of results. The expected date was 14th April, but the result didn't arrive on the day. The next day, I was sitting at home after school, and suddenly my friends called me that the result has arrived. I checked the result. I have not checked by my own. My parents checked it, and it was so excited for me that I scored such a nice marks. It was hard for me to believe, so we refreshed the website again to watch that if that was real. But that was actually a thrilling experience for me to score 99%.
I got very relaxed on the day my exam ended. I felt very happy and I finally got a time to relax after many days of studying continuously. And I watched many movies and TV shows, and I also went to a trip with my family. Then, as the date of result arrived, I got nervous and excited at the same time. Nervous because I thought, what if the result didn't come up to my expectations, and excited because of the result. And then on the day of result, my friend called me to tell me that the result has arrived, and I checked it. And when I saw my marks, I got very excited and very happy. I just went to tell my mother. Then I calculated my percentage, and when I saw 99%, I felt so happy. It was like a dream coming true for me. And yes, it was a very thrilling experience for me.
So now we will play a rapid fire round. So you are ready?
Yes,
Okay. So morning study or night study?
morning study,
Or NCRT book or reference book?
NCRT books,
Group study or solo study?
solo study,
And strict routine or flexible study routine?
flexible study routine.
Okay, thank you. So now your turn. You are ready?
Yes,
So sample papers or PYQs?
both.
Most favorite subject?
Maths,
Notes making or direct learning?
notes making,
Revision or new topics?
revision.
Thank you. So it was nice talking to you, seniors. As class 10th students, we will also try to carry your legacy.
We
We
wish
wish
best
best
of
of
luck
luck
for
for
your
your
future.
future.